Hi guys, and welcome to yet again another Facepalmfishing episode. So today we are here at Pasir Ris Farmway 3 to do
some extreme handline fishing. But do take note, the handline fishing here is not as extreme as what you'll see on YouTube for Goliath groupers or sharks. We're just going for the freshwater giants like the PHRAYA and redtail and whatever else you can find in the pond.
Yeah, and we'd actually not recommend you to come here to try out handline fishing because it's actually very dangerous, especially when going for fishes of that size. These fishes could get up to like 20 kg and they could really do some damage to your hands if you don't handline properly. And we actually have a proper handline fishing guide here today. I mean, he's been doing handline fishing at the pond recently, and you know, he's learned a lot, and he's probably had more experience than any one of us or anyone around here. So his name is called James. We'll introduce you to him later. But if you really want to try handline fishing, you could definitely give it a go, but do remember to at least PM the Catch and Release Arowana, which is the Facebook page of this pond, to give them a heads up that you're coming here to do handline fishing. Or you could also PM James. Just make sure that he's there to supervise you handline fishing. So right now, let's go and meet James.
Hey guys, my name is James. I'm a worker at Farmway 3. So today I'll letting the guys try handline instead of a normal rod and reel.
So handline fishing is basically a primitive method of fishing. Last time people don't really have fishing rods, all they have is a line and a hook. And handline fishing is like a direct fist fight with the fish because you don't have your fancy gear to help you land the fish. Instead, all you have is your hand. That's why it's called a handline. So it's actually quite an extreme sport and you could get hurt easily. So James will share some safety precautions.
Alright, some safety tips I give to people who want to try it is never wrap your hand around it once you get a fish, because it's gonna hurt when the fish pull. It's better to lose a fish than lose your hand. The other thing I call people to watch out is the line. Never get your line wrapped around your leg, your equipment, or the fence. It might snap and the hook might fly back and hit you in the eye of some sort. And that's pretty much the two tips I give people when they want to try handline.
So without further ado, let's try this extreme sport.
We're using chicken liver, tasty food for fishes.
This one fish sedap adventure. Sedap adventure, you know.
Alright, so now we'll be trying a method called water burling. So what is it called? We'll be filling up, putting our bait here, filling up with a little bit of water and splashing into the pond. So the water will hit the surface, it will act like, let's say, some sort of like bait fish. So the chopper will get excited. So hopefully they'll attack and eat the bait.
There we go, guys! Woo!
Look here.
Take the handline in here, then take the handline.
Somebody hold this.
Alright, nice.
Alright.
Now release it.
Nice job!
Thanks, bro.
Okay,
Oh,
wow.
what? It's an awkward handshake. Thanks, bro.
Nice one, you here.
Now it is Ophia's turn. What we're going to do now is a method. I mean, if you fish here at Farmway 3 or fish at any fishing pond, it's called bullying. What you basically do is you pretend that you're feeding the fish, because normally they'll feed the fish at a certain timing too. So you just pretend you're feeding the fish and the fish will think it's feeding time and take your bait more readily. And so that's what we're going to do. It's a more faster way of getting a fish. But normally, you know, after throwing the burley and waiting for a few moments, and if you don't get a fish, you don't get a fish.
Looks yummy.
Well, I know that Ompia loves chicken.
Okay, so we got the burley, a bit of water.
And then, so if you're lucky, oh, then shake, body on. Oh, then shake, body on. There we go. Oi! He's cutting water. Oh my god, guys, it works.
Oh, burst!
Burst. Burst. Don't. Oh yeah.
Okay.
Set. Okay, let go. Let it run.
Oh, I can feel the heat in the glove.
The handline fishing was so good that even our cameraman Kingston had a go at it.
Yes, nice. Okay, let go. Okay, let go.
Oh, let go. Oh.
Let run.
Be careful,
It was a really fun night. So fun in fact that I actually forget to record the outro. So that's why I'm doing this voiceover right now. So yeah, with that, if you want to try handline fishing, do approach James or Catch and Release Irwana. And once again, thanks for watching. Follow our Instagram and Facebook page, and see you guys next time.